How to send a GIF in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to send a GIF in Messenger, what you can simply do is, first of all, open the Messenger app on your device. Now go to the person whom you want to send the GIF to. Then go to message. Now over here, you can see the emoji icon which is right here. Just click on it. Now over here, you can see various icons, and in the last, you can see the icon which says GIF. Click on it, and then you'll be presented with various GIF over here. Now, there are many themes as well for the GIF, or you can also search for it. So this is how you can send GIF to anyone in Messenger. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one.